Hi there, and welcome to today's lesson. Sometimes asking for help is harder than it seems, especially in English. It's not just about the words you use, but how you say them. Tone, word choice, and politeness all play a big role. In this lesson, we'll explore how to ask for help in a way that sounds friendly, respectful, and natural. Let's look at some common and polite ways to do it, perfect for real-life situations. Let's get started. Could you help me? This is a classic and polite way to ask. It's a question, not a command, so it shows respect. In the office, you. Could you help me with this report? Colleague. Sure, happy to. At the airport, you. Could you help me find my gate? Staff. Of course. It's just around the corner. Would you mind? This is slightly softer and very polite. You're showing you care about the other person's time or comfort. In a cafe, you. Would you mind showing me how to connect to the Wi-Fi? Barista. Not at all. Here's the password. At home, you. Would you mind helping me carry these boxes? Friend. No problem. Can you give me a hand? A more casual phrase that means, can you help me? It's perfect among friends or coworkers. While moving furniture, you. Can you give me a hand with this sofa? Neighbor. Yep, let's do it. In class, you. Can you give me a hand understanding this problem? Classmate. Sure thing. I was wondering if you could. This is a very polite and indirect way to ask. It sounds soft, thoughtful, and formal enough for professional settings. During a meeting, you. I was wondering if you could review my presentation. Manager. Yes, I can take a look tomorrow. Asking a neighbor, you. I was wondering if you could feed my cat while I'm away. Neighbor. Absolutely. Would it be okay if? This phrase checks if someone is comfortable with your request. It's polite and gentle. At a friend's house, you. Would it be okay if you helped me set up the Wi-Fi? I can't get it to work. Friend. Of course. Let me take a look. In the office, you. Would it be okay if you helped me prepare the slides for the meeting? Boss. Sure, let's take a look together. Can I ask you a quick favor? Use this when you want to make a small, friendly request. The word quick helps it feel lighter. With a classmate, you. Can I ask you a quick favor? Could you print this for me? Classmate. Sure, no problem. With a colleague, you. Can I ask you a quick favor? I need help uploading this file. Colleague. Of course. Final tips. Smile and use a friendly tone. That's just as important as the words. Say thank you afterward. Even a small thanks makes a difference. You can combine phrases. Hey, would you mind giving me a hand for a minute? Quick recap. Here are 6 great ways to ask for help politely. Could you help me? Would you mind? Can you give me a hand? I was wondering if you could. Would it be okay if? Can I ask you a quick favor? Try using these next time you need help, whether it's with your English, your work, or just everyday life. The more you use them, the more natural they'll feel. Thanks for joining today, and see you in the next lesson.